If fat loss were as easy as skipping one meal and hoping for a miracle, we would all be walking around with six-packs by accident. But here is the truth no one wants to tell you. Losing fat is not about eating less. It is about eating smart. Today, I am giving you the ultimate no-nonsense meal plan for fat loss, tailored for real people with real lives in the real world. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will not just know what to eat, you will understand how to build meals that burn fat, fuel energy, and keep your taste buds happy. Let's dive in. 1. The power of protein. Your metabolism's best friend, you eat, and your body burns calories by digesting the food. Sounds like a cheat code, right? Well, protein is that cheat code. High-protein foods like chicken, turkey, Greek yogurt, tofu, and eggs require more energy to digest and help you build lean muscle, which burns even more calories at rest. Start your day with 30 grams of protein. Think scrambled eggs, turkey bacon, or a protein smoothie. You will feel full longer. What are your cravings? Gone. But protein is just the beginning. Next up, the food group most people fear, but that could be your secret weapon. 2. Carbs are not evil. Meet the smart carbs. Let's bust a myth. Carbs do not make you fat. Eating too many processed carbs does. Your body needs carbohydrates for energy, especially if you are working out. The key is choosing the right ones. Think sweet potatoes, oats, quinoa, berries. These slow-digesting carbs keep blood sugar stable and fuel your workouts without crashing. And here is a quirky thought. Why does everyone villainize bread like it is the final boss in a video game? Dun dun dun. It is white bread. Now that we have cleared carb confusion, let's talk about the one nutrient that can double your fat loss results. And no, it is not celery juice. 3. Fat is not the enemy. It is the ally you ignored. Surprise. Eating fat does not make you fat. Healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish help you feel full and support hormone production. And, here is the kicker, they help your body absorb essential vitamins like A, D, E, and K. So yes, you have permission to keep the guac. You are welcome. Just watch portion sizes. Fats are calorie dense. A tablespoon of peanut butter? Great. The whole jar with a spoon while watching Netflix? Not so much. Speaking of Netflix, what about snacks? Let's break down the sneaky habit that could be undoing all your fat loss efforts and how to fix it. 4. Snacking without sabotage. Mastering the in-between. Snacks are not the enemy. Mindless snacking is. Instead of grabbing chips or candy because you are bored, plan your snacks like mini-meals. Great options. Greek yogurt with berries, apple slices with almond butter, protein bars with low sugar. Look for 6G. And hey, why do we open a snack bag like we are defusing a bomb, then finish the whole thing in 3 minutes flat? The secret? Portion control. Pre-portion your snacks so you are not guessing or grazing. Now let's talk timing, because when you eat can be just as important as what you eat. 5. Meal timing. Align with your body clock. Welcome to the world of circadian rhythm eating, or as I call it, do not eat like a raccoon at 2 a.m. Here is what works. Front-load your calories earlier in the day. Do not skip breakfast. Yes, we are still saying that. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. Think of your body like a furnace. Feed it properly early and it will burn hotter all day. Wait until night to eat and the fire will die. But there is one final piece to this meal plan puzzle, and it could be the difference between short-term change and long-term results. 6. Consistency beats perfection. Make it sustainable. You do not need to eat chicken and broccoli for every meal. That is not fat loss, that is a punishment. Instead, aim for 80% whole, nutrient-dense foods and 20% flexibility. Got a party? Eat the slice of pizza and then get back on track. Build habits, not hacks. Prep meals on Sunday. Keep go-to foods stocked. Make it easier to eat well than to eat junk. Remember, consistency over intensity wins every time. And do not forget hydration. Sometimes you are not hungry, you are just one iced coffee away from dehydration. A fat loss meal plan that is simple, flexible, and enjoyable. So the question is not, can you do this? It is, are you ready to stop guessing and start transforming? If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and comment Meal Master below so I know you are serious about making this change.